So this video is a continuation of the previous one, where I buried 2 bags of food scraps in this little container, which I built from pallet wood and plastic. And so this is what has happened. I haven't watered this thing for over 2 months now, and the sun is hitting it. And so I filled this whole thing with leaves, and then I put soil on top, and it was filled up to this point, but now it has gone down. And in these places there was food scraps buried. So let's see what has happened. I don't know if you can tell. Let me get the camera a little closer, but there is some dead matter here. Yeah, we found the leaves. So the leaves that are in the bottom, they have rotted away, and they have kept all the moisture down there. This is a metal thing from the soil I brought up, and yeah, there's nothing here. If you see my previous video, you'll see what I buried here. I also put in some eggs and some other things. There is nothing here. There is only soil and some little rocks. Yeah, there's nothing here. Everything has decomposed over those 2 months, and so I'm going to bury more food scraps in here, and yeah, that way I cut on my losses from the nutrients that I bring in.